Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Google Drive. Sign into the account that received the shares. Once signed in, click or tap Shared with Me so you see only items others shared with you. Now scan for the file or folder you want removed and control the selection. Single-click to highlight one item, hold Shift to select a range, or use Ctrl/CMD for non-contiguous picks. This first action isolates what you'll remove. Make sure you're not selecting files you still need access to. Now act on the selection. Right-click or tap the three-dot menu to reveal Remove. Choose Remove to hide the shared item from your view. Note, this does not delete the owner's file, it simply removes your shortcut. If you want to keep access in another folder, select Add Shortcut to Drive and move it before removing the original shortcut. Once done, confirm the item disappears from Shared with Me. This change is local to your account permissions and does not affect the owner. Finish by verifying the items are gone from Shared with Me and any shortcuts removed from my drive. If a removed item reappears, make sure you aren't signed into multiple Google accounts, switch accounts, and repeat the remove step. Also check whether you're a member of a shared folder. Removing a shortcut won't remove folder membership. If removal fails because owner settings restore access, message the owner and ask them to change sharing permissions or remove you from.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.